Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Free Tutor. In last lesson we discussed about why there is a need of crop production and management, how human beings depend on plants and other animals for their survival, and what are crops and some types of crops with some example. In this lesson we will discuss types of crops based on season, who are nomadic people, and how the term agriculture is introduced. So let us start. Types of crops. So India is such a country where there is a variety of weathers. For example, from April to June, there is very hot weather with huge amount of sunlight, which is followed by rainy season, which starts from June and ends till September. Then comes winter season, which starts from October or November and ends till March, April. So, crops need a particular type of climate for their proper growth. For example, the crop like paddy, maize, these crops need substantial amount of water, so they grow well in rainy season rather than winter season. Similarly, crops like wheat can grow well in winter season rather than summer season. So based on the season in which crop grow well, crops are categorized as Kharif crop and Rabi crop. So we will discuss each of them one by one. So Kharif crop. These are those crops which are sown in rainy season. Why these crops are sown in rainy season? Because these crops need substantial amount of water for their proper growth. So sowing of these crops starts in June, July, in the beginning of the monsoon, and when they become mature enough, then they are harvested at the end of the monsoon during September or October. Some examples of these crops are paddy, maize, millet, groundnut and cotton. Now, Kharif crops cannot be grown in winter season. Why? That I have already discussed. Because in winter season there is less availability of water, and we know that Kharif crops need substantial amount of water which are present in summer season. So Kharif crop can grow only in summer season, and hence they are also known as summer crops. Okay, now come to Rabi crops. Rabi crops are those crops which are grown in winter season. Now in India, winter season is generally starts from October, November and ends till March or April. So sowing of these crops begins at the beginning of winter, October, November, and when they become mature, then they are harvested by the end of March or April. Some examples of these crops are wheat, gram, which is also known as chana, peas, mustard, etc. Early people till 1000 BC are known as nomads. Why? Because they have no permanent homes and they continuously move from one place to another in search of their food and shelter. At that time, they used to eat raw fruits, vegetables, and also hunt animals for their food. Later on they started settle down near source of water as river to cultivate land in order to produce large amount of food materials like wheat, paddy and other food crops, so as they can feed themselves. This is how the agriculture was born. Now, what is agriculture? The growing of crops or plants in the field for obtaining food like wheat, rice, etc. is called agriculture. In last class we have discussed that the large field or space in which the same type of plants are grown are called crop, and the whole process of growing such crops is called agriculture. It means agriculture is the process and crops are the product of that process. Thank you. Now in our next videos we will discuss what are the various agriculture practices which should be implemented to get a good crop yield. Thank you. Please like and share my video. Then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.